102 and I gotta work on the skid steer. Oh man, customer says it's overheating. What? I wonder why. It's hotter than shit out here. Pitter patter, let's get her done. Definitely one of those dusty days, cleaning out radiators and stuff. Every bit of airflow counts when it's 102. Always keep that in mind. Let's top her off with just a little bit of oil. Gotta pour it off. And let's go. Well, I'd say 45 minutes of non-stop use, no complaints. I'd say my time is done. Proof of performance is in. 45 minutes of straight use, no overheating. A little bit of dust in that radiator does a lot of damage, y'all. Make sure your radiators are clean.